See, there is a PIL filed by one person as far as this construction that is happening over Porvorim. The grievance of the petitioner is there is a lot of pollution, the roads are not safe, there is a danger to the life, and so on and so forth. So, as far as that petition is concerned, on the eve of that petition, that is yesterday, we conducted a site inspection. And during the site inspection, the contractor's representative was present, the PWD personnel was present, and then the police officers were also there. Certain measures are suggested and which have been directed to be executed on site. For example, blacktopping of certain areas which are required to be done on urgent basis, that will have to be done on priority. Secondly, as far as certain hurdles which are there on the way in the form of some things which are being placed at a strategic position where the traffic is congested, those are required to be removed. So that instruction is also given to the contractor. As far as some areas where there are illegal constructions which are hampering the passage of the traffic, the collector is supposed to take an action. He is supposed to inspect the site and remove those constructions which are on the edge of the road, which are illegal. So this is one measure which will be taken. Thirdly, the major thing that is going to happen is, as far as possible and at the earliest, the contractor will have to blacktop the entire road. So that measure will help a lot in clearing the roads, the traffic, as also the safety of the passengers and the travelers. So this is what is being decided today. Whatever measures which are directed to be done by the contractor are placed before the High Court. High Court has taken it on record, and High Court has directed the contractor and the PWD to comply with all the suggestions and directions which were given yesterday in the site inspection. Matter is kept in the first week of December now before the High Court.